So hi everyone, we have two speakers today, Shivam Verma from Chanda's lab and Ms. Anandita Bhardwaj from Professor Joshi's lab. Let me introduce Mr. Shivam first. Shivam Verma is a PhD scholar in the Disease and Injury Mechanics lab. His research interests are finite element modeling, vibrational analysis, computational model, and whole body vibration and biomechanics.
Good afternoon, all of you. I am Shivam Verma. Today, I am here to present my recent publication, which was published in Taylor and Francis. So the title is the state of the art of finite element modeling of the human spine to study the impact of vibration.
Shivam, would you mind presenting from this side? I think it's easier for him to capture.
So these are the content I will discuss in the further slides. So introduction. So vibration is a mechanical phenomena that everyone has experienced in daily life activity like walking, running, and driving a vehicle. And someone is working in industrial area and operating a heavy machinery equipment. So exposure to vibration can be harmful to the spinal column, which can cause injury to the spine and related tissues by jolting and compressing the spinal column vertebra. As we can see from figure, how to human spine respond to vibration in a different direction, like back to rest, back to chest, and right to left, and how effect foot to head in vertical direction. And long-term exposure to vibration can lead to problem with the spinal column, including stenosis, herniated disc, and degenerative disc disease. So the human spine, which provides the structural support to the body, connect the different musculoskeletal system, and helps the brain to interact with the other body part, is often exposed to vibration. So in this slide, the figure to represent the conceptual framework of the relationship between the vibration exposure to spine health. So in this figure, we understand how to
I think there's some internet issue. So yeah, great work. I mean, you've gone through a large body of literature, right? So what would you say is the primary limitation for, I mean, other than the safety factor, right? If you want to do this on a dummy, why aren't people doing this on a dummy? Because there are lots of opportunities. You could embed sensors inside. You can attach external elements. There's no safety concern, right? You said that there are two groups that are working, one on purely computation, one on pure human. I feel like there's something else in between as well. So why is that not explored? Why are not people not looking at, say, ballistic dummies or something like that?
Actually, sir, I have also working like develop the computational analytical model. In this model, we see that for a specific segment of motion, like we observe the how to affect the most of the researchers are studying the whole.
So now we're going to go on to Ms. Anandita Bhardwaj's talk. Okay, Ms. Anandita Bhardwaj, we've seen she's one of the co-organizers, I understand, of this Achievers series. Ms. Anandita is a Prime Minister Research Fellow.
So, heart has 4 cardiac valves, out of which 2 are atrioventricular and 2 are semilunar. So, atrioventricular valve direct blood flow from the top chambers to the bottom chambers, and the semilunar valves, which are aortic and pulmonary valve, direct blood flow from the lower chambers, ventricles, to outside the heart. So the function of these valves is to direct and in fact regulate the intracardiac blood flow, and VHD is the degradation of these valves, which ultimately affects the blood flow. So there are 2 kinds of VHDs that can occur. One is stenotic and one is regurgitative. Stenosis is the stiffening of the leaflets, which causes improper opening and it obstructs the blood flow. And regurgitation is leaky valves, so the valves do not close properly, and so what happens is that the blood flows back, or rather leaks to the in a direction opposite to the. Yes, I have performed 2 types of cross validations. One is 5-fold cross validation, and I have presented the results for the same. The second is leave one subject out cross validation. So that also gave an accuracy of around 97%.